Buongiorno! Welcome to Enzo's Kitchen. Today, fish again, something seafood. This is my favorite food ever. Today, zuppa di cozze, buona. It's very good. Mussel soup is what we have everywhere in Italy, but again, with every way, we do in a different way. So what we do is we need some bread, because then you're going to be doing scarpetta. Scarpetta is putting the bread inside the juice. So bread to a frying pan or in a oven, doesn't matter. It has to be toasted nice and crispy. Then we have the main ingredient here, mussels. Mussels is a great thing. You can do so many dishes with mussels, but this is my favorite. I like small mussels, not the big one. I say small. And you see they are all closed. Very nice. The bread, turn around to make sure that you don't burn the bread. And if you see that one is open like this, if you press it, you see, it's back closed. So it means it's live. So now we have the hot frying pan or pot. You can and put in there. Of course, because they are all closed, there is all water inside, so you don't need to put any juice or anything. Look at that. What you have to do is low heat and cover it. You can cover with another pot, frying pan, anything. Oh, the bread is ready, and covering up is you have to scoppiare. Scoppiare means explosion of the mussels, means the opening up. So that's a very good trick, and you have to make sure mussels they are scoppiate, because all the juice from inside that comes out. Don't put any salt, never, because the water that we got inside is seawater and is already salted. Now we prepare our ingredients. The ingredients they are simple. Garlic, of course. Without garlic, there is no good things that okay, is the garlic. One is enough. And again, if you open inside, take care of the anima. Anima is the soul of the garlic. Then you cut very small. Yeah, look. Look, they are all opening up. At this stage, when they are opening up like that, then you add the garlic in there. And of course, what you need is the magic white wine. Nice white wine. Yes. Wow. Now make sure that all this juice goes inside the mussels. And as I told you, no salt, but what you need to put is pepper. Pepper is very important in mussels. It gives this, it's an ingredient actually in this, and no just a spice. Look, put pepper, quite a lot if you like, and parsley. Parsley as well in this dish is an ingredient. Look, I can smell now. I could eat it right now. Make sure that you cover it, and that it does. So we have our bread. Again, cut the bread in half. Here, so you got 4 pieces of bread that you needed to put inside the sauce. Nearly ready. Have a look. Yeah, make it boil it. Let's boil it over. And now, what is missing? My mother tomato sauce. Here it is. Now, you know, you cook for 2 hours. It's best tomato, best oil, everything best, and the basil. Put inside, not too much, because it's not a tomato sauce, it's a soup. So the tomato is part of the soup. Of course, there is the seawater. It's quite liquidy. So cover it up so it does it reaches the right temperature. I love this dish. I love this dish, and I like this dish with a nice glass of white wine. Listen, it's summertime, but even winter time, just have mussels, a soup of mussels. It's very, very good. So it's ready because it doesn't take very long to cook it. So what we're gonna be doing, look, it's all the juice there. I'm gonna show you how much juice is. Put the mussels in there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, lovely. Beautiful. And more juice in there. Look what we got here. Ladies and gentlemen, I will put some more of pepper, some more of parsley, and why not, but just a little bit like that of oil, and put the 4 pieces of bread here, and ladies and gentlemen, the zuppa di cozze, here we are, for you, for your family. Enjoy, it's easy to do it, come on, you can do it for your friends, for your family, and you will enjoy it. If you like this video, please go to my YouTube channel, press the button I like it, and subscribe it. Don't forget it. And put some comments there. If you want to ask me anything, I will get back to you, and I'll see you soon here. Ciao, buon appetito!